Okay, we're gonna walk straight through this little strip, and I'll let you know what it is later. A little context. This is kind of a little casino area. There's Star World right there. There's Wynn Casino right there. There's Wynn. That's all part of Wynn as well. And then MGM's on the other side, Ascot Hotel. So they got a little stream of hotels. This one is President Casino. So we're gonna walk straight down that way, and I'll tell you the name of the street in a minute as well. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, let's go check this out. So there's a President Casino. This street is kind of marked by a lot of neon lights everywhere. As you can see, it's all kind of lit up. And I think they basically just sell like, this is like a pharmacy right here. So it's a pharmacy, watches, they'll sell a lot of gold. Motai is like a Chinese alcohol. That's also Chinese alcohol. Some different. So we'll keep on walking. So there's the backside of President. That building looks kind of interesting. I hadn't really noticed that one before. So the thing like that. Lunches. Okay, let's kind of capture this whole scene right here. So you kind of got a whole little row of them. So you have all these watches, alcohol, pharmacy, gold. So basically just have a whole strip of kind of interesting stuff everywhere here. Pharmacy, watches. This street is always a little bit sketchy. I don't know why. It just feels kind of sketchy. Because you'll see these guys standing up in front of us too, right? So they're always kind of listening for something. But anyways, we're gonna just walk all the way through this one, and then maybe we'll kind of navigate through the middle a little bit, see if we can see so okay, this street is called Avenida da Amizade. It's right there, you can see that. So this is part of that street right here, and then it kind of crosses through this big main street here. So this is called Rua de Cantao. So this one is kind of a main thoroughfare. It goes all the way down. Amizade, Rua de Cantao. So this is all Rua de Cantao as well. And it marks by Casino Lisboa, straight that way. We're gonna keep on going down. So this one actually goes to, okay, Rua de Pequim, Placeta de 1 de Octubre. So actually that street might be the end of that street right there. And now it says Placeta de 1 de Octubre. So maybe we'll just keep going down a little bit further, and then we'll just kind of end this one. Yeah, this area is always really kind of sketchy. I don't know what to think about it exactly. Habanas cigars right there. It's kind of interesting. Go a little bit further and then we'll end it. So this one, I think they have cigars and whiskey. So there's Habanas, Cuba. And I guess we'll end it right there. So that was our street that we just went down. So basically this little strip right there. Chiquinha, chiquinha.